and chaka chuku cha. Okay, we're gonna practice now the two moves. Ladies, the rule is one. If you don't like them, push back. You know what I'm talking about? If you like them, give it up. That's it. They gotta get the memo. Guys, if you see that the lady, that's what I'm telling you. Feel the heart rate. If you feel the heart rate, it's good. Because you know that the lady is not nervous. If the lady is nervous, something going on. Alright? Don't force it. Alright? Now, Barbara, go for the ladies so that they know what to do.
Okay, so it's 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3.
Ladies, you got that? You got that? I know, but you gotta practice to be like this, okay? You cannot just be like this today, okay? Now, repeat so you look like Barbara. Applause for Barbara right now. At this movement, do a close. Do a tie. Slow drag. Attack. Yeah. Attack. Yeah. I was right here. My location. Yeah. My GPS is right here. Let's go. Get up. Now, hands up. Ladies, choke them from the top. Yeah. 2 hands. Leaders, 2 hands right. Like this. Like this. Like, yeah. Like, no. All right, yeah. Together, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and tarra shinya. 1 and 2 and tarra. One more time. 1 and 2 and tarra shinya. 1 and 2 and tarra. I just do. Good job, switch. All right. There we go, don't. Ok. Regarde pas dans les yeux, s'il vous plaît. Alright? Regarde pas dans les yeux. Après la danse, regarde, parce que c'est dangereux. C'est très dangereux. Ok? S'il vous plaît. Après 7 mouvements, bouge. Bouge, s'il vous plaît. Ok? Regarde, parce que les yeux sont des contacts. Tu vas voir quelque chose que tu ne veux pas. Ok? On y va, encore. 5, 6, 7, des expériences, 5, 6, 7, vas-y. 1, 2, aïe, 1, 2, saka soukou, ça. On y va. 1, 2, comme les Québécois disent, avec Polo. 1, 2, chaka choukou. Aïe, souhait.